specials. Buong puso po ako nagpapasalamat at sinamahan niyo po kami sa aming 5-week limited engagement run. Hold on. So far. Kaya naman tonight, as our way of thanking all of you, we give back all the love sa isang Wish Upon Omega 2011 special episode. 1987 pa po, nang sinimulan ang Wish Upon Omega sa PSCS. It's been 24 years of giving back, and we don't stop, kahit quietly. Tonight, wishes will come true dito lang sa The Sharon Cuneta Special. Sa umpisan natin yan, sa hiling ni Juliet. Watch this, Gary. Watch this, Casey.